Everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I've done a short video review of a product called the AI Smart Box, which was sent to me by a company called One Car Stereo. Now, I've used this product for the last month or so, and I'm going to review it now. If you stay till the end of the video, you'll get a chance to actually win the product that I've been testing. So hopefully enjoy the video, and I'll see you later. So the Smart AI box comes in a cardboard package. When you open it, there is some extra instructions on there about having to set the phone up. But then you've got the box with the unit itself, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Open the box, you get the connector, USB A to C, the operating instructions, and then in a protective rubber you got the unit itself. Seems to be quite well made. Some One Car Stereo. You have a USB-C on one end, some cooling. I'm not sure if that's a card reader, which I wouldn't be using anyway. So let's get it fitted in the car. Hey there, welcome back to the channel by the shore of Lake Maggiore here in Italy. It's a beautiful day, and today I'm going to review the Smart AA box from One Car Stereo. Now, I sent this unit about a month ago, and I've been using it for the past month, and I'm going to show you how I set it up and give you some of the indications of how it works. In the meantime, just enjoy the view. So the box is quite small, you can discreetly mount it anywhere, and its main function is to turn any car that has wired Apple CarPlay or Android Auto into a smart device where you can watch the internet or do most things. Now, the MG itself comes with standard navigation and all the usual things you'll get, but unless you actually plug your phone in, you won't be able to get any internet, Spotify or anything like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to plug in the USB-A to USB-C plug that comes with the unit, because you can see my other box I've been using. The MG comes with a USB-A and the USB-C, but it's only the USB-C that works with Apple CarPlay. So I'll now plug that unit in and we'll see what we get on the screen. So with the unit now plugged in, it starts to initialize, and if we come to the main page, Apple CarPlay is already set up. It's the Smart AA box. Just takes a few seconds to boot up. I usually find by the time I've walked to the car, it's already detected and started. So you've got a few options here. Everything Android or Apple you'll find in this speed play. You see it's connected now. So you've got the usual Apple CarPlay. If you want to return back to the car menu, you press the car icon. That takes it back. And then from there we can go into all applications, and on here you have Netflix, Disney Plus, YouTube. You do need to connect in this car to your phone first. So let's have a look how that goes. So I've got into the menu and connected to my phone. The menu's easy to get to. You press on the screen, and when the dot comes up, you've got your home button, return page. Let's press that again. Back to the car. So we'll go to home button, and we'll go to all apps. This is actually a video I put up the other day from my other YouTube channel, Captain's Travels. So you can see picture's pretty good. Volume works well. If you're sitting charging, why not sit and watch a video? And it works the same with Disney and Netflix. I'll put a link to this video below. Okay, now we'll check the navigation. So we need to go speed play, which brings up, in my case, Apple CarPlay. Just let it connect again. The phone is sitting here and it can be charging wirelessly, which is what it says on here. So let's go to Google Maps. So it's just 10 minutes. Let's see how we go. I've actually found the system works quite well. There's not much lag. If you start changing to other navigation apps, it sometimes gets a bit blocky and loses where it is. You can see from the outside and the picture there, it's actually quite accurate. and it's working quite well. As we arrived at the roundabout, you've got plenty of indications. So we'll pull in and try another application. So I've actually stopped and shut down Google Maps, because I find if you have too many navigation apps going at the same time, it gets a bit confusing for the system. So we'll go to Waze, going to put home, and we'll see how well that works. It's quite quickly picked up where we are. So you passed into that railway bridge. So it's working well, wirelessly, no lag, which is the problem I've had with the other wireless boxes. I mean, I mainly use Apple CarPlay. It's useful for tuning radio.
£500 and 10-year warranty. Terms and property suitability apply. Visit mydearuk.co.uk.
It's quite responsive.
Right. For more information, visit WeBuyAnyCar.com/info.
Do you like the sound of the KFC mini fillet burger, small popcorn chicken and fries, just $2.99?
So we're now going to look at a better route planner, which I've connected to my car. So it shows as 96%. I will make another video about a better route planner. To use it as a mobile, you need to be a premium customer. The car ready. With the information, I think this uses Apple Maps. It's quite accurate. There is some traffic indications, but it doesn't seem to be as accurate as Waze or Google Maps. It just takes a few seconds to kick in. But the good thing about this is you can see in the corner here, it's telling me my current charge, and I'm going to arrive using 6%. So I should get there with 90%. So it's been a quiet drive, so I've not used as much charge as predicted, and we're going to arrive with 93%. As you can see, the map is accurate enough to make good navigation, not too much lag. Now to find somewhere to park. Hey there, hopefully you enjoyed the video. It's a good product. And if you'd like to win the product, what you need to do is make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and write a comment. And at the end of February, I will be contacting somebody in the comment section, and you'll get a chance to win this box. So hopefully I'll hear from you, and good luck, everybody. See you in the next video.